केम छो इंडिया। मैं हूं प्रतीक गांधी। हर शहर, हर जुबान, हर सपना, एक मंच, आइडिया पास। जल्द आ रहा है जी टीवी और ZEE5 पर।
Did you also make very wrong choices when it came to men? Because you were always involved with the wrong person. मैंने खुद देखा है, अपनी आंखों से देखा है मैंने. I've seen you with Naveen Nishchal, and I used to be appalled. I used to tell my friends, "Ki, what is she doing with this married man?" Because we all knew he was married. He was very charming.
He was very
He
charming.
was very charming. हम सब लोगों ने, all of us thought he was very charming.
You just think you're 17 years old and you've signed a film opposite Naveen Nishchal.
जो
Okay?
बड़े star.
He was a very big star. And he was a ladies' man.
Very much.
You know
Yeah,
that.
yeah. He had a roving eye.
Yeah. And you know, when I was doing Intezar, he used to sit behind the camera and watch. So, what does one do? You know, you're too young actually. It's not love.
You just get flattered.
Yeah. I felt, oh, he's such a big star and he's so much in awe of me that he keeps watching me and all that.
Yeah.
So, it was that, nothing else.
No, but it created ripples in his marriage.
No, not really.
Yeah,
Not
his
only
wife-
me.
Okay, he was, you were not the only one.
Yeah.
Correct.
He was actually, now he's not there, so one shouldn't talk about it. But he was involved with his friend's wife.
Yeah.
That was the turning point in
In their
thing.
marriage.
मेरा तो I was busy working. I was, you know, जहाँ काम मिलता था, I was working there.
That's right, yeah.
So,
So you were not the catalyst.
no, not at all. So don't blame me.
Okay, I won't. I will not blame you for what happened to Sir Naveen Nishchal's marriage, but I will say that you made wrong choices there also. You know?
Yeah.
Yeah. Because, you know, after that, again, you got involved with Prakash Mehra, which was again a married
Yeah.
man, no? With a family, he had 2 children, 2 sons.
3.
3 children, yeah.
Yeah.
So, you know, one
Yeah.
just thought you made wrong
But
choices
anyway,
there.
you know, I'll tell you one thing. I don't regret anything.
No, you shouldn't, because you
Yeah,
learn
I
from
don't
everything.
Regret, yeah.
You learn from everything, and that
Yeah.
is what I wanted to actually was coming to.
Yeah.
कि today's Padmini Kapila उस Padmini को क्या बोलती? अगर
I would have
वो-
been more professional, and you know, I would have.
Would you have got involved? Would you have? Would you tell a girl Padmini Kapila of that time? कि, listen, don't get involved with Prakash.
Exactly.
You would have told her.
I would have.
Because you know what he ultimately said to one of us? उन दिनों में हम 3-4 लोग ही थे
Yeah,
जो लिखते
yeah,
थे
yeah.
और हम लोग मिलते थे और मतलब प्रकाश जी को मिलते थे. उन्होंने साफ कहा था कि वाइफ इज अ वाइफ, गर्लफ्रेंड इज अ गर्लफ्रेंड. टेल मी, आपने सलीम खान का नाम लिया कि ही हेल्प्ड यू ब्रिंग कंप्लीट दैट
My
फिल्म,
film, yeah.
योर फिल्म. बट यू गॉट इन्वॉल्व विद सलीम खान.
No. I'm not involved. I
मैंने सलीम खान को एक दिन पूछा,
Yeah.
ये अब की बात नहीं, उस टाइम की बात है, कि हम लोग बहुत सुनते हैं आप और पैमेला के पद्मिनी कपिला के बारे में. तो आपको मालूम है उन्होंने क्या जवाब दिया?
क्या?
He said, इतनी खूबसूरत और लड़की को अगर मैंने रिस्पॉन्स नहीं दिया तो आई एम एन इडियट. तो उन्होंने डिनाई नहीं
No.
किया.
He is a dialogue writer, so he says all that.
उन्होंने डिनाई नहीं किया और उस वक्त आपने भी एकदम डिनाई नहीं किया था.
But what is it to deny when there's nothing?
अच्छा, okay.
No, he always said that to me, that, you know, with your looks and all, you could have really been on the top. I don't know what went wrong. Then it has to be destiny,
Yes.
you know.
Sometimes
So
you can't
I
fight
said
destiny.
कि हाँ फिर क्या करें? लक में नहीं था तो नहीं हुआ.
Yeah. Here on the contrary, मुझे पूछेंगी तो आप, I don't think Naveen helped your career in any way.
In any way, that's what I'm telling you, na.
Yeah.
So I was unlucky.
And
that
even
way.
Prakash Mehra, you may say he was a nice guy and all that, लेकिन उन्होंने भी आपको ऐसा कुछ रोल नहीं दिया जिससे आपका करियर बने. He also did not give you the best.
I realized that he said somebody कि he was discussing with somebody कि बड़ी फिल्म में लूँगा तो हाथ से निकल जाएगी.
Oh.
And that hurt me a lot. This towards the end, I was very hurt, you know.
Yeah,
I
yeah,
said,
you can't talk like
you
that. about
can't
a
talk
girl.
like
Yeah,
that.
yeah.
And हाथ से निकल जाएगी क्या है?
Exactly.
There's a
और
saying,
अब
no,
देख क्या उधर
that if you have a bird, open the
hand.
cage.
Yeah,
If
yeah.
the
If it
bird
goes.
it's not yours. And if it comes back, it's yours.
Yeah.
So, I mean, you have that kind of an attitude. And that I got to know much later.
That's
By,
the
by then,
instinct,
it
yeah.
was too late,
Yeah,
Bharti.
I
you
can
know.
understand. Because I know that some of the girls that you mentioned, or I mentioned, they were very professional. उनके जो friendships थे, they
हाँ.
did not come in the way of their career.
It was
लेकिन
all very,
आप-
even
हाँ,
that was professional. Everything was professional.
Exactly. लेकिन आपकी लाइफ में जो नवीन was a distraction,
Yeah,
प्रकाश
yeah.
मेहरा was distraction. ये लोगों ने आपको कभी मदद ही नहीं किया
नहीं,
आपके
नहीं,
करियर
no,
में.
no help at all.
Yeah.